bought a lot of things for YouTube. Well, not necessarily for YouTube, for myself, but I figured I would do a YouTube video on them. I needed a video for today, so bear with me, please. Today, I'm going to be doing a tech review, and I finally somewhat, sort of got the lighting in my room down. It's still not great. I'm still working on it. Today, we will be reviewing the Bugha gaming headset holder. Now, I will be fully honest. We were in Five Below. It has been my first time in a store since September of 2020. And I get caught off guard easily. And I was no joke thinking about buying a USB extender the day before, or like a USB dongle where you plug one USB into your computer and you get 4 USB slots from it. Just because I was going to need one anyway, and I had looked on Amazon and the one I was going to buy was $12 anyway. So when I went in Five Below and I saw this, I no joke didn't even see until like 3 minutes in of looking at the design. It didn't register to me that it was Bugha. Now, I was looking on the display and it said the best gaming gear for the best price. And I think they're lying, to be completely honest. Might as well tell you a tiny bit about the product. Ow! Got 4 USB 2.0 slots on the front. The base of the design is color changing, and it holds your headset, which I have here. I'm so happy that I finally have a dedicated recording headset. Packaging is good. I paid $9.99 for this product, so I don't expect much. Okay, so the base is not crap. Sorry, I'm not meaning to downplay that happened, but I was not expecting much. Okay, so interesting, huh? Alright, let's plug this in, and yeah. So I will admit, I'm pleasantly surprised. It does look really, really good. You know, the LEDs do indeed change. That's pretty cool. I haven't tried plugging my headset in. Actually, let me do that real quick. We do indeed have it on the edge of my desk there. We've got the color changing USBs. Got these USB imports here. The 4 USBs along the front. I haven't tried those yet. I'll probably try them a little later. But, yeah. Also, I just figured I'd let you guys know, I had someone comment on the last tech review video, and they were like, why are you so shocked when technology is good? And to that, I answer, I've spent hundreds of dollars on technology that hasn't worked. So when technology works, I'm really happy about it, and usually I'm pleasantly surprised. And I mean, with the headset holder, I'll be completely honest, I did not expect much from this. It did not seem like it was going to be that great of quality, but it was. It ended up being worth it, and that is it for this Bugha headset holder review. It's good. I would recommend it. If you're in a Five Below and you need a headset holder, or you need some USB extenders, I'd pick one up, honestly. It's worth the $10. It is sturdy. I forgot to mention that. It's pretty doggone sturdy. Like, it's not flimsy. My headset's not gonna fall. It's good. I like it. It's very good. And I will leave it at that. Until the next time, I will talk to y'all later. Goodbye. 'Cause I'm fully stacked diamonds, you won't see me crying. I'm fully stacked diamonds, you won't see me crying. Have my fully stacked diamonds, you won't see me crying. I'm fully stacked diamonds, you won't see me crying. Have my fully stacked